Thank you, Riza. And the honor is equally ours as well. And we are grateful that you joined the group. So, one of the highlights of our program or our event this afternoon is actually featuring one of our officers, our press relation officer, Miss Minnie Pascual Clepach. I'm sure you have seen her in the news here in the UK and in the Philippines. She's been all over the media most recently. And she has been an inspirational colleague, and she's been awarded the British Empire Medal Awards in this year's Queen's Birthday Honor List. And she will have a clip where she will be presented by her chief executive officer of her NHS Trust and amongst other colleagues where she works. So, can I introduce to you the pride of FNA UK, the Filipino pride, Miss Minnie Pascual Clepach.
I was born and raised in the city of Pasig. I graduated nursing at Makati Medical Center. I remember at a very young age wanting to explore other countries and know their culture, and UK was a dream. November 2001, I decided to work abroad. One of the 52 nurses included were the first batch of Filipino to work at Bournemouth Hospital. I knew my job had many benefits. I met amazing people and we become friends. I'm working with one of the world's leading healthcare system, but I'd also be providing a high quality care that is freely accessible to everyone in UK. I took a great challenge to progress my career. I knew I needed to have a long-term plan focusing where I want to be. Throughout my working with the NHS, I was a team player. I worked well with others. I treated my colleague as my family. As a Filipino, service and care for loved ones and even to strangers are second in nature. So many simple gestures of appreciation had left a positive impression among my colleagues. As a year after started, I've worked my way up to become a matron of ophthalmology and also a hospital Black Asian minority ethnic network lead. I'm proud that in my own little ways, I can provide support to my colleagues. The people I supported have no family here, but we at the network have become their family, supporting them in these difficult times. For us Filipino, love for family is understatement. Having a Filipino family means that you are not alone and you will never be left in need. It is often said that crisis disaster bring out the best in people. This truism is being confirmed every day in the middle of the pandemic, with countless reports of compassion and selflessness all over the world. The best way is not to feel hopeless is to feel get up and do something. With that in mind, I set my worries aside and took an initiative to offer support to my colleagues. I have actively initiated the individual risk assessment tool to ensure the staff is protected, and also they provided a physical protective correct PPE. We have undertaken numerous trolley rounds, empower staff to speak out to cease or amend their work if they feel unsafe or undue risk. We have provided information, guidance, forums, support their mental and health and well-being. With staff feeling anxious and overwhelmed, we need to maintain an open channel of communication. We have supported Filipino as well during this difficult time. We offer them cooked food, deliver groceries on their own place, and also both medication. This year, I was nominated and recognized by Her Majesty the Queen and have been awarded with the British Empire Medal for my service to nursing during COVID-19. I would like to honor and then share this award to all of the Filipino nurses across the UK and around the world who tirelessly work above and beyond during this difficult time, and also to the Filipino that we lost their lives during the pandemic, and I dedicate this award to their family and friends. I am very thankful for my personal support system, my family, my brother and sister, my mom who has been amazing and my prayer warrior, my husband who provides me overflowing love and tremendous support, and my granddad was my inspiration, my auntie and my friends as well, and also our local community, Philbrit's community in Dorset, and also the Philippine Nurses Association, for my fellow interim officer who can be described as the epitome of compassionate leaders who always provide support and advocacy and encourage personal and professional development. We are always here for you, and we are stronger together. Fill the world with hope, and you will fill yourself with hope, and take the challenge of paying it forward. It takes each one of us to make a difference.
So my name is Minnie Klepach. So I'm working at University Hospital Dorset for 19 years, and currently I'm ophthalmology matron and also a Black Asian minority ethnic network lead. I think having this award, is such a prestige award to receive the British Empire Award from the Queen, is such an honor and privilege, especially from staff coming from Black Asian minority background. I think for me, this is not a personal award. I think this award is for the all of the amazing staff who works above and beyond during this period.
Well, what can I say about Minnie? I met Minnie the day she arrived in our organisation 19 years ago, and then I had the amazing privilege of her working in my team. Minnie, the epitome of a caring nurse. Yes, she's gone over and above caring for her Filipino colleagues over the last year, but that's not unusual. That caring isn't unusual for Minnie. She cares about everybody she works for. She cares about every member of her team and every profession within that team. I am very proud not only to call her a colleague and a nurse, but also a very dear friend.
Minnie has been our matron now for the past 3 or 4 years, and she's very supportive with whatever's happening on the ward and on the EDSO, and she's always there to help us and to give a helping hand. So I wish to work with her for a few more years.
Hi, I'm Barry. I'm manager for ophthalmology, and I work here at Royal Bournemouth with Minnie. It's a pleasure to work with her on a daily basis. I'm so proud of what she's achieved, and this award is complete recognition of how she went over and above what was expected of her in her presence and her reassurance to staff during the COVID epidemic. I'm so proud and excited for her to be part of the Filipino Nurses Association. I'm sure she'll do excellent things in that role.
Well done to Minnie. All her hard work is finally paying off. She's been very supportive over the years, and she's always worked very hard, putting staff and patients first.
We're so proud for her because she really done very well with regards to us, with regards for the management here in I ward, and with regards to the management in the staffing also. She's really very good. She's very supportive, and she gives the best for all the staff here. Not only for the staff, but also for the healthcare worker here.
I'm so pleased to get the opportunity to say publicly how very much we really value our lovely Minnie. She is the most amazing person, everybody knows that, but as Chief Executive of the organisation, I can't tell you how proud I am to have someone like her working in this organisation. We know that Minnie has been fantastic in joining up and supporting staff and raising the voice and the profile of staff from different backgrounds through her work with the BAME network and leading and engaging with all of her Filipino colleagues. What she did through the COVID pandemic was unbelievable. We watched her really come to the fore in supporting colleagues in so many ways in really, really difficult times. She took food to people who were isolating. She made meals and looked after those who were themselves keeping services going here by staying away from their own friends and family. Minnie is absolutely amazing. She has such a heart. We couldn't be more proud of her. Great to say a big thank you to Minnie.